Truenas versus Unraid versus Openmediavault. Which NAS platform is winning? If you're setting up a network-attached storage NAS system, you've probably come across Truenas, Unraid, and Openmediavault. But which one is best for you? Truenas is a powerful enterprise-grade solution. It's based on ZFS, offering rock-solid data integrity, snapshots, and replication. However, it requires more powerful hardware and has a steeper learning curve. Unraid, on the other hand, is all about flexibility. It lets you mix and match drives, add Docker support, and run virtual machines easily. But it lacks native ZFS support and its parity system isn't as robust as Truenas. Finally, Openmediavault is the best choice for beginners. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and runs well on older hardware. However, it's not as feature-rich as the other option. So which NAS platform is winning? It depends on your needs. Truenas for reliability, Unraid for flexibility, and Openmediavault for simplicity. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.